Hey guys, it's Kyle, and today we're gonna be burping. Oh, that didn't come out right. Oh. Sometimes it doesn't really work. Take deep breaths. I don't think he likes it. You know what I do sometimes whenever I'm bored? I eat KFC. And then I burp like that. Game chair. My face. I can't do it anymore, guys. Gonna have to say bye, Diesel. He's my big chungus. My big chungus. And my sausage big chungus. Bye, big chungus. Bye, big chungus. Bye, you little pokey little pokey poke. Pokey little. Pokey little. Pokey little. Pokey little. What? He smells something. It's my last big chunk.